I need to mention that the T-bird has been stolen, and it needs your attention. Crowd, be calm, be still. In order to find him, we need your skill.
But we can't do this alone, for there are gawks out there.
And nooks.
Whoa. Forget about Z. What about unicorns?
Hush, you people, let me explain. You're all together, get on your way, for we have a T-bird to save today.
People of the town who go on the search have to find an evil creature who is cutting down a birch.
Johnny, why are you going off on your own?
Ma'am, I don't think you realize who you're talking to. I'm Johnny Bravo, the one-man army.
I highly doubt that.
I like feathers.
That's great, Katie.
I wonder why there's feathers. I like feathers, especially the rainbow kite.
We just want to help get the T-bird back, Johnny.
I suppose y'all can join me. Now remember, I do my best work when I'm being worshipped.
Worst thing wanted you when you need them. Hey, if we work together, I bet we can find it. Anybody have any idea?
Trees.
I have no idea.
Trees.
Maybe at the beach where I can show off.
Look at the trees.
Great, Katie. Now let's follow him to see if he has it.
The next bunch to join the hunt was made of Jigglypuff, Horton, and the things in front.
Now where should we look to find the T-bird? Why oh why did I get stuck with the group whose minds are so blurred? Don't look down and think this absurd. You give it a try, you can make yourselves heard. And maybe we'll find something. Why are you all freaking out? This isn't exactly the most appropriate time for interpretive dance. Oh, well if the T-bird's that way, then let's go.
Finally, there was poor Frodo, Baby, and Lorax. What is unfortunate is that they have to face the Grinch and Little Max. For the Grinch hated T-birds, the whole school in fact, but no one knows why. Was it real or was it just an act?
I have a feeling we'll never see the T-bird again. I wish we weren't the ones having to search for it.
Unless we try hard, we won't get him back. So stop complaining. I think you got back.
Well, what do you want us to have in mind then?
Maybe the unlikely heroes. The least of them all. But a person's a person, no matter how small.
That was deep, man. What's that over yonder?
Mr. Grinch.
Here's our chance to save the day. And look, the others are coming this way.
But Mr. Grinch, why would you do this kind of thing? I thought you knew better after that whole Christmas fiasco.
I did, Cindy. I swear on my chin. But being here alone has taken my grin. I've been so lonely, my dear. I just wanted a friend. So when I heard these two needed some help, I jumped on the trend. But your courage and teamwork has filled my heart so you can leave this place and take the T-bird home.